Hello students, welcome to this class. Today we are having one word problem for you. The product of two consecutive positive integer is given 306. We need to find the integer. What to find? We need to find the integer. So what is given? The product of two consecutive positive integer. Consecutive positive integer. So let me take the consecutive positive integers. So what will be consecutive? The number which comes after. The number which comes after, that is called consecutive number. If my first number is x, the second is x plus 1. The number which comes after, the consecutive number of 10 is 11. The consecutive number of 12 is 13. The consecutive number of 15 is 16. I am getting after adding one number. So therefore, the consecutive positive integer, if it is x first, then second is your x plus 1. So let me do this one. Let the consecutive positive integers be x and x plus 1. I told you, if the first number is x, definitely the second is x plus 1. But what is given? It's a product. Product means multiplication. So as per question, what is telling? The product of these two is 306. Very simple. X of x plus 1 is equal to 306. Multiply straight. X into x, x square plus x into 1 x is equal to 306, or x square plus x minus 306 is equal to 0. Over. So this is your quadratic equation. Actually this question was, if you want to find, you can find even this, the value of x by factorization method. From here, if you want to find, you can find by factorization. I hope factorization method you know. So therefore, this is the question for find the integers. What are the integers? Those integers you can find. Okay. If you find, let me find. Suppose if you want to find this, the value, what is it? Multiply 1 into 306 is a 306. So 2 1 is 2, 2 5 is 10, 2 3 is 6, 3 5 is 15, 3 1 is 3, again 3 1 is 3, 3 17. Now, how to arrange this? If you multiply, your multiplication becomes 306. If you multiply, your multiplication must be 306, but if you add, your addition must be 1. So think of the two number. If you multiply 306, if you add 1, those numbers I can get from here only. यहाँ से मुझे वो पूरे नंबर मिल जाते हैं. दो के दो नंबर यहाँ हम फाइंड कर सकते. कैसे? 2 3 is 6, 6 3 is 18. 18 minus 17 is your 1. So this is, these two are the numbers, x square plus, instead of x, let me write this 18 and 17. So 18x minus 17x minus 306 equals to 0. Now we can take the common from this. X of x plus 18 minus 17 of x plus 18. Now these two are common. Take one of the two. X plus 18 into x minus 17 is equals to 0. Therefore, if x plus 18 is equal to 0, which implies x is equals to minus 18. If x minus 17 is equals to 0, x will be definitely equals to 17. But I have to select which number of the two. I will select this number. Why not minus 18? Because it's given in the question. It's a positive integer, no negative. So if the positive integer is 17, What are my two numbers? You can tell me. Therefore, the two numbers are, what are two numbers? If my x is 17, what will be x plus 1? 17 plus 1, 18. So therefore the two numbers are 17 and 18. If one is 17, other will be definitely 18. Why? Because if you multiply this two, definitely you are getting 306. So this is the next problem. Now let me go to the next question after this. Next question is, this is again of this type of question only. Again of this about the numbers. Next question again, what is given? If the sum of the two number instead of conjugative number, the next question is, what is given? Find two numbers. Find two numbers. Two numbers you have to find. Two numbers you have to find. If you add those two numbers, your answer is 27. If you add those two numbers, you are getting 27. And if you multiply, and the product is given 182 something. Yes, 182. So what exactly the question is? Find two numbers whose sum is 27 and the product is 182. So what is the sum of the two numbers given? Sum of the two numbers is equal to given 27. Let me take one number is x. Let the one number is equal to x. If one number is x, obviously the second number will be 27 minus x. Therefore, other number is equal to 27 minus x. Because the sum of the two numbers given 27. If one is x, definitely other will be 27 minus. Now, what is given? The product. Product of the two number is equal to given 182. Means their multiplication is 182. X of 27 minus x is equal to 182. Multiply x into 27, 27x minus x into x square is equal to 182. Bring that number, minus 182 is equal to 0. Or I can write x square minus 27x plus 182. I just multiply with the negative sign, minus sign. When equals to minus sign, so multiply that. X square minus 27x plus 182 is equal to 0. Again, what to do? Factorize. If you multiply, you are getting 182. Your multiplication is 182 and your addition is minus 27. Minus 27. So think of the two number. If you multiply, your answer is 182. But if you add those two numbers, your answer will be 27. I got the number. These are the two numbers. Minus 14, minus 13 is your minus 27. But if you multiply minus 14 and minus 13, your product is 182. How do I get it? You can also find. Just find the factors. There you get. See this. 7 to the 14 and 13. So therefore I have taken 14 and 13. Write here x square minus 14x minus 13x plus 182 is equal to 0. Or I can take x common and here minus 13. This number will always take the common. And this will be exactly the same thing what we are reading. ये तो हमेशा एक ही आता. If this is correct, then x minus 14 into x minus 13 is equal to 0. Now I can take one rule. If x minus 14 is equal to 0, x will be definitely 14. And if x minus 13 is equal to 0, my x value is equal to 13. So what are the two numbers? Therefore, two numbers are 14 and 13. I hope understood. In the next video, we'll discuss a few more important word problems.